Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I will talk about a very important topic. This is directly not related to the garden or plant. We all know health is wealth. And most of us are health conscious. Overweight, diabetes, hypertension, low immunity are the most common problems among us. If we find a remedy to control them by our garden, how would that be? And today's video is about this only, which is about overweight, diabetes, hypertension, low immunity, etc. and how to reduce it or prevent it. The flower that you are seeing right now, most of you know what kind of beautiful flower this is. This is the blue butterfly pea plant. And these are the blue butterfly pea flowers. And today we'll be making blue tea from these beautiful flowers. Now the question is, what will even happen if I drink blue tea every day? And is blue tea better than green tea? Or does blue tea reduce belly fat? And what are the side effects of blue tea? And when to drink this blue tea? We'll answer all these questions one by one, so make sure to keep on watching these videos. Before this, we have uploaded a video on how to take care of this plant, so make sure to watch that video if you want to. To get more flowers in our plant, my mom is removing all the extra seed pods. And time to time, if we give this plant proper fertilizer, it will give a lot of flowers to us. Here, my mom is giving a very special kind of fertilizer, which consists of 3 items. It consists of mustard seed, banana peel, and rice water. All which is diluted by water. This shall be given to your plant weekly. In the video's end, my mom is going to give you the playlist of all the blue pea videos. So if you want to watch, you can watch them. Okay, now I will answer all your questions one by one. Also keep on watching to know how my mom made this tea. Okay, so the first question was, what happens if I drink blue tea every day? Drinking blue tea may boost your heart health by improving blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Nutritionists generally consider butterfly pea flowers safe when consumed in moderation. Meanwhile, here my mom collected some flowers from our plant. You can make this tea from fresh flowers or dried flowers. It does not matter. But sometimes if a plant has way too many flowers, my mom stores them for later on and then dries it and uses it to make tea later. Do you know some benefits of this blue tea? Okay, let me tell you some. It helps in digestion, uplifting our mood, controlling weight loss, enhancing skin health, stimulating hair growth. Also, it helps in reducing diabetes. It helps in cardiac wellness. It also promotes healthy eyesight. It gives a stress-busting effect. It detoxifies our kidney and liver. It also improves heart and brain health, and it helps to fight diabetes and cancer. Also, it improves fatty liver. Okay, keep on watching to know how my mom made this tea. Take a cup of water and let it boil. Take 4 to 5 flowers. It may be dry or fresh. Make sure to also put them in the boiling water and wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Then cover it. Let it be cool and then stain it and it will be ready to drink. The second question is blue tea better than green tea? Do you know that blue tea has been proven to prevent type 1 diabetes? But the answer completely depends on you. But now let's move on to the question 3. Does blue tea reduce belly fat? Research says that blue tea does reduce belly fat. So yes. And about the side effects? No, there are no reported side effects from drinking blue tea. And when to drink blue tea? You can drink blue tea at night or in empty stomach. So make sure to plant your blue butterfly pea plant and make sure to make this drink and drink it. Believe me or not, it has a lot of benefits. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.